You can see I've mounted the lower bolt securing the latch plate. Also, it's important to put the lower one in because the hole is elongated here for fine adjustment before you put the top bolt in, securing the plate together. Make sure there's a washer behind the bolt, so it gives a little bit of tolerance against the post. Screw that in, grab your ratchet set and just secure the plate, but make sure it is vertical. Obviously we can move it slightly with the elongation of the bottom hole. Just before we tighten it up, make sure that's level. Again, you can grab your level that's been supplied. Yes, that's pretty good, and we can nip it up. Nip the top. And then that's done. You can see I'm just adjusting the height of the latch to the latch plate on the post now. So make sure the latch sits nicely against the latch plate, and then just move your clamps up to that position and secure the nut, and the top clamp, and then the one on the bottom clamp as well. And the spanner, just nip that up. Okay.